Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Are you planning to work in Europe in 2026? Latvia has become one of the fastest growing destinations for foreign workers, especially in industries like manufacturing, logistics, construction, hospitality, healthcare, and IT. In this video, I'll explain the Latvia work permit process step by step so that you know what exactly to expect from finding a job to the residence permit process. Let's get started. First step, find a job in Latvia. The first and most important step is finding a genuine job offer from a Latvian employer. Without a valid employment or a job offer, you cannot apply for a work permit in Latvia. Always make sure that the employer is legally registered in Latvia and is willing to sponsor your work permit process. Step 2 is employer applies for your work authorization. Once you are hired, your employer begins the official process. In most cases, the employer registers the vacancy if required, prepares an invitation or sponsorship documents, and submits the necessary paperwork to Latvia's immigration authorities. The authorities verify that the company is legitimate, the salary meets the legal requirements, the position complies with Latvian employment regulations, and your qualifications match the job requirements. Now the step 3 is to apply for your long stay visa. You'll apply for a Latvian National D visa or, depending upon your employment, a temporary residence permit through the Latvian embassy or visa application center in your country. Normally you'll need a valid passport, employment contract, employer invitation or approval, completed visa application, passport size photographs, health insurance, proof of accommodation, and educational or professional documents if required. Now the step 4 is to wait for the processing. Processing times vary depending upon your nationality and the type of permit. Immigration authorities may ask for additional documents or conduct background verification before reaching a decision. Once approved, your visa is issued and you are ready to travel to Latvia. Now the step 5 is travel to Latvia and complete the registration. After arriving in Latvia, you may need to register your residential address, complete biometric procedures if required, collect your residence permit card if your application included one, begin working according to the conditions stated in your permit. Remember, you can only work for the employer listed on your permit unless you apply for a change and it's approved. Here are a few important tips. Never travel on a tourist visa expecting to convert it into a work permit. Verify every job offer before making payments. Keep copies of all your documents. Follow Latvian immigration rules carefully to avoid delays. So friends, this brings us to the end of our brief and informative video about how to apply for a Latvia work permit in 2026 and the step-by-step process for it. I hope you liked the video. If you got value out of this video, then please like, comment and share the video. And for more information, log on to our website. We'll mention the link in the description below. Thank you for watching this video. This is Ashutosh Jha signing off. Until next time.